may need to pull on a coloured streamer to release your mask. Make sure that your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece, and there is a light and whistle for attracting attention. Do not manager on board today's flight to Toronto. Working with me today is in-flight lead Alex Furnace, and if there is anything that we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let one of us know. Alex will be working in the World Traveller and World Traveller Plus cabins, and will be available with the rest of the team if you need anything on today's flight. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back our Executive Club members and One World frequent flyers. As we've already mentioned, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are switched on. If you are planning on getting some rest on today's flight, we would ask that you fasten your seatbelt over any blankets or duvets, so should the seatbelt sign become illuminated, we do not have to disturb you. Once it's safe to leave your seats, take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may move that could fall out and cause injury. For customers seated in our club suite, we will shortly be passing through the cabin to release the lock on your door. Please feel free to fully utilise this new feature, however we would invite you to leave the door open during the service. We're pleased to offer you Wi-Fi on today's flight. To connect, join the BA Wi-Fi network, open the browser, type shop.ba.com and discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Please note that video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. We're proud to announce the launch of our new High Life magazine, which is available for free.